Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. If you have the problem like I do of shoes laying all over your entryway and also nowhere to sit, I highly recommend getting this shoe rack by PremiumRacks. It was so easy to put together, even I could do it. I usually get my husband to put things together, but this seemed simple enough and I did it on my own. I loved that it came with the tools needed also, so I didn't have to go searching to find the proper tools. We have a ton of shoes at our house always. I love using this one for my son's shoes because he likes to put away his own shoes when we get home, and I love having a rack just designated for his. It's also a perfect height for him to crawl onto for me to help him put on his shoes. If your shoes are constantly getting in your way and you're looking for a new storage solution, or you just need a place to sit for your guests to put their shoes when they come over, I highly recommend this bench. It was super easy to put together and it looks really nice. And that's my point of view.